Hey guys, I decided to get this Sony as backup camera, and I'm not here to review hardcore stuff. I just want to share my experience with this Sony. So let's get to the point. You will get manual and some document information about accessory. I'm not gonna go through that. Eyepiece cup, battery, AC adapter, USB power cord to connect, soldier strap, and of course body with the kid's lens 16 to 55 mm. Most people complain about this camera is terrible in capture quality. I think they expect the camera can take good picture of by itself. Let's say this, you just got to know your camera well before you go out to the field instead of blaming the camera doesn't do a good job. Here's my experience. I love this camera. The setting is not complicated. The ISO, shutter speed, aperture, wide balance, focus mode, and much more is right on fingertips. When you put on the right setting, you get better result. I will post another video about setting for those who are interested, and the link is in the description. This camera can shoot 24 megapixel photo and HD 1080 frame video. The body is small and light to carry around, but I can still get high quality professional looking photo and video. I travel a lot, so I mainly shoot outside adventure like nature, landscape, wildlife. It is a crop sensor though, and it's disadvantage when compared to full frame, which can pull in much higher quality photo and video. So the kid's lens that come with it isn't bad. That being said, any higher quality lens could be better visually. Optical quality always matter more than resolution pixel. So I use my favorite lens Canon 24-105 with metabone adapter to connect to this camera. I gotta say, I'm very pleased with the image and video that this camera has been able to capture. What I hate about this camera, one, the record button is freaking small. Sometimes I have to press a couple times to start or stop because when I'm in a hurry situation, I don't have time to look. Two, the LCD design is so lame. It can only tilt up and down. When come to low angle shoot during sunny day, I can see well on LCD, and viewfinder doesn't help at all. Trying to lay on the ground to look through the viewfinder is not fun at all. I wish it can be fold out and be flipped completely around so I have more control. 3. The viewfinder sensor is so annoying. When I keep the camera close to my chest for steady shot, then I cannot see anything on LCD anymore. It's auto switch to the viewfinder instead because the sensor can be turned off though, but it's not the point. The point is I don't want to go to the menu to turn on and off the sensor every single time. I just don't get why Sony have this terrible idea of design. 4. The battery's life suck. This camera drinks battery just like water. So make sure you have about 4 to 6 more battery. I got this battery set and it helped me a lot. I will post a review video about this battery set. The link is in the description. Now 5. This camera is easy to overheat. I was in Arizona and it's summertime. I just record like 10 minutes. Then the message start to pop up. The internal camera is overheat. Then the camera just start to shut off. I have to wait to cool it down and miss out some good shots. Anyway, I still love this camera, but only for backup. First, the price is not bad since both the Sony Alpha a6300 and Alpha 6500 came out. The price of this camera, Alpha 6000, has come down, and it's a great buy for those looking for a feature-packed mirrorless camera at a decent price. Like I said, if you know your camera well, you can work around and get the best result out of it. Based on the pros and cons I mentioned about, it's all up to you to make decision. But don't be scared. It's just a camera. Learn and make mistake and grow. Ciao.